feel like someone just went down.
Yeah. There he is.
Hey, a downed raider by the church metro entrance.
You got him down. Oh, might as well go get it.
We want to knock him out, or I've got defense.
Oh, yeah.
You want to knock him out?
Yes, of course. So let's let
Yeah,
them go
we'll
down there. Let
call
them go
the
down
chief for you.
No, do you got any defense? We're friendly,
Oh, Ryan.
Shotzi, what are we doing?
Yeah, we need defense.
Ryan.
My partner's gonna die. Can you revive him? He's gonna die very soon. No!
Chauncey, I thought we were defibbing
They
him.
knocked me out.
Oh, he has so
Sorry,
much
buddy.
shit. Oh, my gosh.
You know what? You would.
That's deep.
Yeah, they tricked us. They did.
This
How
guy
they still
has
in
nothing.
here?